Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just giving you an overview of a Valentine's Day basket that I've created. And this is my date night basket. I was able to find spin wheels that once you spin the arrow, it lands on your date night. And whatever it lands on, that will be your date night. So there are plenty of things to do, such as slow dance, movie night, foot massage, and many other things on this spin wheel. I've also included the Lick Me Up and Down candy bouquet, as well as some popcorn just in case you land on movie night. The heart in the center will be filled with candy for you to enjoy, and we can't forget our candle. I've included the seductive candle in this collection because it's, well, seductive. I really enjoyed putting this adulting basket together, and we'll put a few more treats in there for you to enjoy. In the meantime, tune in for more. Thank you for watching and tuning in to the Crafty Corner.